Hey fellow investors, last time in my video I showed that you can use insider trend data to see whether it's a good time to buy stocks or not. And I got questions, investors was asking whether it's possible to use insider trend data for different sectors to decide whether it's good time to buy the stock in a sector. Yes, you can. If you come to our insider trend page here, again it's under insiders and insider trends here. You can see the first row is for the overall market, and so it's compared with the SPY, the SP 500 sector ETF. And if we scroll down, you can see we have insider trend buy-sell ratio for different sectors and financial sector here. And now we come to specifically the energy sector. That's what one investor was asking. You can see that for the insider buy-sell ratio of energy sector is this row. In 2008, there was high insider buy-sell ratio. The ratio was above 4. If you bought here, you would do pretty well as the market recovered. And then until 2014, the energy sector started its bear market until today. But today we can see a very high buy-sell ratio of the insiders, which has never been seen before. Today this insider buy-sell ratio for energy sector is above 9. Apparently, the market is very pessimistic about energy sector, and the energy sector has been underperforming the general market for a long time. It crashed much more than the general market again during the recent market correction. But the insiders are very bullish about it, and the insider buy-sell ratio is very high. It has never been this high for the energy sector. So maybe it's a good time to buy energy stocks. So where to find the energy stocks to buy? Again, we come to our all-in-one screener here. It's under the screeners button tab. It's the first one. We bring up the all-in-one screener because we want to buy stocks in the energy sector. So we start with this industry manual, industry drop-down box. And here, if I scroll down and find the energy sector, yes, energy sector is here, oil and gas. So I want to screen in the oil and gas sector only. And I bring up. We got all the stocks in the energy sector. Now, because the market is, we don't know how it will go, and the energy sector is weak, oil price is low. So we want to buy the companies that has a stronger balance sheet, above average balance sheet. So I select the financial strength here is 6. I also want the companies that has strong above average profitability. So again, I select the profitability rank is above 6. Now I want to check the insiders, and I want to set the insider date to at least from the beginning of the year. There are insider buys, and at least one insider buys from the beginning of the year. So I select the insider dates there. I check at least one insider buys. I still have 126 companies, and I want to also set the amount the insider buys is at least 500,000. So I set it here, and now the number of the companies reduced to 26. That's still quite a bit of companies. We can see the insider buys here, the number of insider buys, and some companies have a lot of insider buys, like the Texas Pacific Land Trust, and here a few others here you can see. This might be the starting point for your insider, for your energy stocks. Thank you for watching again. If you have any comments and questions, feel free to leave it in the comment area, and I will answer them if I see them. Bye.